Hi, I'm Javis MC. Welcome to JaviSounds. We're here to give you the knowledge and practical exercises that should transform your musical abilities into skillful and excellent performances. In the previous video, we discussed about how confidence can improve your singing presentation. Now, in this video, I will show you the structure of a song. Before you begin to compose, to sing, or to produce music, you need to understand the nature of a song. Message delivery through singing and playing has to be very effective and satisfactory, and that primarily determines the qualities or variations applied to the progression of the song. This is because different parts of the song present the same message differently. Every presentation is backed up by a unique expression. Therefore, to observe the essence of your message, it must reach your audience using the correct musical language and expressions. Let's look at the song's overview. Every song has a progression from its beginning to its ending in time. The first segment of the song, as we all know, is its introduction or the intro, and describes how the song should start. That last part of the song is called the ending or its outro and dictates how the song should end. Between the intro and the outro are other segments that constitutes the structure of your song. Now let's look at the first part, and that is the intro part. The introductory part of the song can be determined by the message in the music. Sometimes the song can fade in like this. Or other times it can start together with the instruments like this.
Today, it don't matter if you're going to town. I'm never going to give it away. It doesn't matter if you're going to town.
Or the vocals can come before the instruments like this.
You need to come, you need to see the wonders that I've come without you walking. Tell me these truths about me. Tell me these truths about me.
And other times, the instruments can start before the vocal harmonies, like this.
I didn't know the sun was shining down on me, and I didn't know the moon was shining up so bright. But I know that you were looking up on me, and I know that you were watching over me. I didn't know the sun was shining down on me, and I didn't know the moon was shining up so bright.
Now, if I'm being rocky, chanty, and happy, I can choose to introduce it with heavy drums in a way that makes it feel exciting. Okay, listen to this.
I know that you will not go, and you will not go. It's just a matter of time, yeah. I know that you will not go, and you will not go. It's just a matter of time, yeah. I know that you will not go, and you will not go. It's just a matter of time, yeah. I know that you will not.
so vibrant and requires some amount of energy in its intro part. Or I can choose to have some soft intro this way.
Why did you tell me that you'd be going away? Why did you tell me that you would never come back? Well, you would have told me that you were going away. You would have told me that you would never come back, but you didn't tell me.
Did you see that? Now, if you need to learn about more intro types, please download the extra audio and video materials from the link on your screen, or you can enroll in the face-to-face lectures at JaviSounds Center. And I will explain to you extensively how to create more appealing intros